Hello all once again, this is Emmanuel Anand from MA Anand Academy. This is the first video from our Crack UPSC series. In this video, we are going to discuss about the UPSC exam. UPSC stands for Union Public Service Commission. The UPSC exam is conducted to fill in vacancies of positions of 24 government services included in the Gazette for the Department of Personnel and Training. This exam is the most coveted exam in India. Most popular positions candidates opt for are IAS, IFS, IRS and IPS. This exam is conducted once every year. The exam is composed of 3 stages. 3 stages of UPSC exam are prelims, mains and personality test. Now let's look into these sections one by one. The prelims stage has CSAT paper 1 for 200 marks, CSAT paper 2 for 200 marks. All are objective type questions. The paper 2 is of qualifying nature and the minimum marks to be qualified is 33%. Candidates passing CSAT will be selected to appear for the mains exam. 1 mark will be provided for each correct answer and 0.33 marks will be deducted as penalty for wrong answers. Duration of each paper will be 2 hours. The mains exam has 2 qualifying papers. You have 3 hours for each paper in the mains exam. Paper A is 1 Indian language for 300 marks. Paper B is English paper for 300 marks. A minimum of 25 marks are needed to qualify the paper A and paper B. However, the papers counted for merit are from paper 1 to paper 7. Paper 1 is of essay type and it carries 250 marks. Paper 2 to paper 5 are GS1, GS2, GS3, GS4 and each paper carries 250 marks. Paper 6 and 7 are optional papers. You can select these optional papers from the subjects included in the UPSC exam. Total marks for the mains written exam are 1750 marks. The final stage of this exam is the personality test. Personality test takes place at the UPSC Bhavan, Delhi. This tests the personality of the candidate. 275 marks are allotted for personal interview. So the total marks for UPSC exam is 2025. The preliminary exam is just for preliminary screening and it is not counted for merit. This is the list of optional papers from which you can select any 2 for paper 6 and paper 7 of mains exam that I had mentioned earlier. And these are the languages among which you can select 1 Indian language for paper A, which is the optional language paper. Now let's talk about the dates and fee of UPSC exam. The UPSC prelims exam is conducted in June every year. The results are announced in August. The UPSC mains exam is conducted in October and the results are announced in January. The personality test is conducted on March and the result is announced on May. The training for the selected candidates starts in September. The application fee is ₹100 for general male candidates and this fee can be exempted for other categories. That is all from me. I have given you a brief overview about this exam and there are a lot more to come. If you have any queries, please leave it in your comments and I will be happy to reply. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to us. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get updates about our videos. Until we meet in the next video, it's bye bye from Emmanuel Anand.